Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do hair videos, I do makeup videos, I do reviews, I do almost everything. But in this particular video, I'll be showing you one of those affordable wigs that you can get for the low. This one was actually under $20, and if you want to know which hair this is, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I was shopping around on wig types. You guys, if you follow my channel, you may recognize this wig from my vacation vlog series when I went to Pennsylvania a few months ago. And guys, this wig from Outre is so bomb. I want you guys to look at this. First, let me tell you the name of this hair. I think I got it on wig types for around $23, and it is the Outre Free Tress L part lace front wig in Batik Tahitian bundle. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, I'll put the stock card over here so you can see what it looks like on the model. The color that I got this in is the color S430, so I'll have that in the title of the video and in the description for you guys. So S430. You guys know I don't really like black hair. If you follow my channel, you know I always try to get like blonde or some other form of color, because I really think it matches my skin tone. I'm not gonna even do a lot of talking. I'm just gonna let this hair talk for itself. But let me just tell you some specs about the hair. Since the past 6 months that I've had it, it doesn't shed. It is the softest synthetic hair that I own right now. No matter if I put it in a bag, if I have it on my mannequin head, it's so easy. I haven't tried heat on it, by the way. I'm not sure how that will work out. But I think it's probably around 22-24 inches. But girl, it has so much body. It's like a wavy, can you guys see that? It's like a wavy texture. It reaches me like all the way down. If I stretch it, it's like all the way down to my butt crack. Sorry. But yeah, that's how long it is when I stretch it out. In terms of the cap size, I would say that it is big head friendly, because I do have like room around the back here, but at the same time the front lays so snug on my hairline. I did have to pluck out a few of the hairs here, and I put powder on it as well. The only thing, let me show you guys, let me give you a close-up of the part. The only thing is that it doesn't lay as flat as I would want it to. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm just too much of a perfectionist. And also because my real hair is black, if you see here, I can't really leave out much baby hairs. I have to just really like get it as near as possible to my hairline. I also wanted to show you guys what it looks like without the ring light, because I think sometimes the ring light kind of accentuates flaws. So the parting really is natural looking. It looks amazing. I really would recommend this hair, you guys. I'm gonna try to find links to all of the popular hair websites that you guys can get this hair for. When I'm researching, it's usually in the $20-something region, so it is a good little hair to add to your collection if you just want to have something to go out on the road real quick. This is your baby right here, okay? This is your Beyonce, like, you want to freaking love, like, you want to get your super Beyonce like diva moment on. This is it right here. This is it. Like, you're going out to the parties and to the club. Yes, I know I am so crazy, but when I have on this hair, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Back to the same moment. I hope you guys really love this hair as well if you get it. If you do get it and you love it, or if you have it, comment in the comment section below. See, I'm showing you guys this hair from all different angles. I think it would look really cute in 1B. Not on me, but I really love brown hair. So, yes, you guys, this is my new baby. One of my collector items, and I hope you guys love it. I feel like this video was all over the place, but I really just wanted to show you guys, like, I'm just so excited to actually do this video finally. If you have any suggestions as to any other affordable wigs that you think I may like, because I think you guys are actually feeling my style right now, please leave it in the comment section, because I want to do more affordable wig review videos, whether it's short hair, whether it's long hair. The only thing I don't think I would do is like afros, because I don't really think it would fit my small body. But any affordable hair that's like under $30, girl, you better hook me up. But until next time, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't leave without clicking that thumbs up button, and of course subscribe to me, subscribe to your girl, hit that subscribe button. Don't be a part of the family that watches my video and then goes bye bye and don't subscribe. You need to subscribe, right? Until next time, I love you guys. Thank you for the support, all of my supporters. Big up yourself. Until next time, bye.